We are all well aware that channels play a vital role in helping scale up our sales exponentially. But how often do we see that there are certain sales teams or individuals who are able to derive more from channel partners than the others? Now, what do they do differently? Or can it be institutionalized across the organization? A well established partner enablement program can help us achieve just that. And let us look at some of the components that can help us establish such a program. But before we do that, let us first assume that we have made the choice of the right channel partner, someone who fits our business needs and also has the capability to perform. First is to have a proper channel partner onboarding program. Well begin is half the job done. Making them comfortable and welcome can set a positive note. A formal induction program covering business insights, ways of working, and sales processes is highly recommended. Usually, channel partners have a good grasp of their market and also an in-depth understanding of the segment or sectors that they operate in. However, they are new to your business and will seek inputs from you. A training program covering your products and services, competitive position, customers, value proposition, and pricing can help them get to speed. Another area to cover could be sales and marketing practices that have led to success in the past. In fact, a training program for existing channel partners periodically is also required to keep them updated and upgraded. Communication is a pillar on which any partnership thrives. A clear, relevant, and actionable communication can help get both alignment as well as mutual gains. To begin with, clarity on goals as well as success criteria should be shared upfront. Next is to mutually agree on actionables from both ends. Now, these could be tasks, milestones, timelines, and resources that need to be exchanged. Another area to communicate can be to motivate the channel partners and make them see the larger picture. What is in it for both them as well as us? And finally, it is important to keep the channel partners updated with the latest events or changes in people, processes, etc. A partner sales team can be handling more than one category or brand. And even if they are exclusive to your brand, it would be a good idea to make their job easy. A well-focused sales team, which enables you to get more customers and sales, can be an asset, and you can help them by providing them with the right selling tools. Some of these tools can be customer engagement tools such as profilers, prospecting aids, qualifying filters, etc. The next could be products and services communication tools such as product pitches, demonstration kits, competition comparison charts, or price comparators. And lastly, there could be digital tools as well, such as CRMs or video or gamification content. Sales is all about hitting numbers day in and day out. Performance measurement, analysis, and providing feedback are an integral part of sales management, and which is true for channel partner teams as well. Periodic review of channel partners and their teams can help get consistent performance. Now, what can be covered in a channel partner review? We can look at sales performance, activities done and its efficacy, what are the bottlenecks, what have been the challenges, how they could be overcome, and what could be the next steps. A channel partner is an entrepreneur who has brought in capital, enterprise, as well as customer networks to table for us. It is therefore fair that they would expect a fair return for not only their inputs, but also the risks that they have undertaken. Apart from the margins and the commissions on our products and services, it would be a great idea to incentivize them and motivate them to perform more. Not only the channel partners, but also the channel teams can be incentivized to focus on our brand. An enabled business partner is absolutely essential for both our business growth as well as sustainability. And the onus on keeping them aligned and motivated lies solely with us. I am more than sure by applying the tips that we have shared in this video, you will be able to build a strong partner relationship and help them perform. Thank you.